Here we go. Gonna do a kickstart and see how it goes. And of course it's going to embarrass us. Rub it up some more. And he made the turn. There he goes. Well, the first rollout of a real pretty green 1970 Triumph that we just put together. Sounds good on a stand. On the lift, we're going to start it and take it for a ride. And here he comes. Still under power. That's a good thing. Sounds good. What do you think?
Accelerates very well, shifts through the gears. Again, you have to be very deliberate in your shifting.
Yep.
You know, overall, I think a very, very nice bike. She accelerates very, very well. Braking is good. She's fine.
Are you ready to let it go?
You know, I'd like us to think about the rubbers on this. When you brake, there's a lot of movement. We need to tighten that down. And at first I thought there was a wobble. No. There's just a lot of movement, and the speedo doesn't work.
Oh, speedo doesn't work. Okay, we'll check out the speedometer, and I think we'll go ahead and tighten the handlebars. Very good.